What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. It is raining a little bit. It's been raining, I think, pretty much the whole day. I actually haven't done one of these videos in a little while now, just driving in the rain and kind of seeing what it's like driving in the rain. This car is pretty good in the rain though, so I don't really have to worry about much. It's good in the snow too. The only thing is, like, when you're on a hill and you hit your brakes, bro, forget it. You're sliding the whole way down. That actually happened to me. If I can find the clip, I will show you guys, but it was bad, bro. I couldn't even get into my garage because I was just sliding down the whole hill. It was the scariest thing ever. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna be driving here to the gym. You guys know I live in the gym at this point, bro. It's every day. I want to do some cutting up, because why not? The car is not hot yet, but by the time we get on the highway and we get going, it should be pretty warm, and then we should be able to, you know, do some cutting up a little bit for you guys. What do you guys think of the 440 though? Is it a car that, like, you would get? Is it a car that you're looking into or anything like that? Or is it a car that you've had before? And if you had it before, what are your opinions on it? Like, you know, I want to know from somebody else's point of view or perspective or whatever. I love this car, you know what I mean? But earlier today, actually, I was building an M4 just cause why not? So I was building the 2023 M4, and the exact build that I want came out to $92,000 MSRP, obviously. So honestly, I probably wouldn't pay over MSRP. I would try to, you know, work around it, but it's a nice build, man. I was looking at it and I was like, wow. So I was like, oh, let me see what the payments are. It was like $1,800 a month. I said, dang. So for whoever that has that car, bro, you got money, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, because almost $2,000 on a car payment is a lot, bro. I don't think even if I had the money, okay, I'm lying. I probably would do it, but it is a lot of money though. So we're about to get on the highway here, and we can kind of go from there. Let's see what's up. Pretty heavy traffic right now. I mean, it is raining, so there's not too many people that, you know, are going crazy or driving fast on the highway, especially in the rain. But let's see what's good. Honestly, I don't really like driving too much in the rain, but because of, like, my car's too low, so when I hit any puddles or anything like that, it feels like I'm gliding, bro, and I feel like I'm better, like, lose control. But it's not that bad, but it is a little sketchy sometimes. And another thing is, I can barely see in the rain, bro, because of my front tints. So, like, I can barely see the lines or anything like that, and for some reason I feel like my car doesn't, like, my headlights is just not bright enough, so I can barely see. And I don't have no fog lights either, so I can see the lines better. But traffic is pretty heavy right now, but it's okay. I gotta get out of this lane though, slow ass lane, and everybody in this lane is trying to, like, switch. Let me cross over here. I don't be having any grip issues, honestly, at all in the rain. Like, there's times where I just, like, step on it to see if I lose traction, but it's so rare. Like, I barely lose any traction ever, really. I don't know if it's because of the tires I have, but I don't think I have any special tires. I think I just have, like, Michelin or something like that, so it's nothing crazy. And I think I might have all season tires, but I'm not sure. Let's get on this lane. Yeah, traffic is pretty heavy right now, and I still gotta change my, I forgot what they're called, rain blades, whatever they're called. I need to switch them because they make noise every time I use them, and it's just super annoying sometimes. And they're starting to leave, like, the watermarks and stuff like that. That's pretty much when you know that you need some new ones. I definitely am in need or something. Oh, see, I know you guys heard that. But it be coming in and out though. Like sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, like that time it did it. Yeah, we're pretty much close to the gym. About to go get this pump in. I like going when it rains, mainly because people are either afraid of the rain or they don't like working out when it's raining out. I don't really care, so because it's not, you know, it's not like I'm working out outside. People are either afraid of driving in the rain or just, I don't know, they just get scared. When it comes to like rain and snow, people just do not show up to the gym. And I've noticed that. I don't know why. I'm guessing snow is, I don't know, but me, I don't really care. I'm gonna go regardless. That's not gonna stop me from going, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're pretty close here. Oh hell no, I'm not waiting for that light. Yeah, this car in the rain, bro, you just have no problems. Imagine like an M3 or M4 trying to step on it in the rain, bro. You're just gonna mac. Cause those things just too much rear, you know, power in the back, and that thing would just start spinning crazy. Sounds like fun though. Like I low-key want to go to like a parking lot, big open parking lot, when it's like raining or snowing, and then just do donuts. That would be so fun. I've never done it in this car with like with my X drive on. I've done donuts and stuff like that, but I've turned it, I put it to rear wheel drive only. That way I can do it. But I've never actually tried with my X drive on. One thing about this car is like when you have your X drive, like when you have it normal like this and you try to do a donut, you can probably do like 2, but then the car, like, it locks itself. It won't like let you do anymore. It's the weirdest thing. Cause my boy, he has the same car as me. He has X drive, and he's done like 2 donuts, and then the car will like lock itself and not let him do anymore. It's the weirdest thing. This car, obviously, you can turn it rear wheel drive. You just gotta buy the little app, connect the cable, and turn it rear wheel drive. That's what I do when I want to do donuts. But I don't know if it does anything to the car. I don't think so though, because I mean I've looked it up. Nobody says it does anything. But I'm still kind of scared about it, so I don't do it too often. Probably only like in the summertime when I go to like the car meets and stuff. Yeah, I'll do it just in case I, you know, do some donuts. But during these times and stuff like that, I don't really do it, no. And we're pretty much at the gym, you guys, so I'm gonna just see you guys later, my friends.